Welcome to Greedy Gulper. As promised, we are back with our family recipe of the authentic Chitol Macher Muitha. Ingredients required to make Chitol Macher Muitha are garlic paste, ginger paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, onion chopped as well as paste, salt and sugar, whole spices like cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, garam masala powder, bay leaves, green chilies, ghee, mustard oil, and some potatoes peeled and diced. To make muitha, we generally use the exterior side of the knife fish, which is also called the gada. Make incisions as shown. This helps to separate the vertebral column of the fish. With the help of a spoon, slowly scoop out the flesh from the fish. This requires a lot of patience and a gentle pressure. While scooping, do not upset the arrangement of the bones, else it gets difficult to scoop the fish. The gada or exterior side of knife fish contains a lot of bones, and hence it is not preferred to be eaten in pieces in curry like the other fishes. As necessity is the mother of invention, so it was necessary to have the gada as it is very tasty and could not go wasted. So to make the consumption easy, this dish might have got coined. Muitha is an age-old recipe which hails from East Bengal, now Bangladesh. We are documenting this recipe because we want to preserve it for the future generations. This recipe comes intact through generations, and now it's in the hands of the 4th generation of our family. To the scooped meat of the fish, now add onion paste, garlic paste, ginger paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, pepper, salt, sugar, garam masala powder, and enough of mustard oil. This is the trick of making real soft and crunchy muithas. Mix all these ingredients very well with the meat of the fish. We do not add any bindings like eggs or flour. Chitol is a sticky fish by itself, and hence it does not require any kind of a binding. Mashing the spices well with the meat of the fish and adding just enough oil is good to keep the muithas intact. Well, we have seen a lot of families adding boiled potatoes to the muithas. If you see, we have not even added that for two reasons. One, we feel the potato mixed with the muithas make the muithas very smooth. And number two, it definitely dilutes the taste of the fish. Once done, divide the mixture into portions of approximately 100 grams each. Grease hands and make tight oval balls of the mixture. This is the step which gives the name of this recipe, as the fish meat is pressed and given a shape by muthi or mutho or the fist, so it is called muitha. If you follow the way we are making the muithas, we promise you the muithas will not break, it will be soft and tasty. Once the muithas are ready, heat water and bring it to boil. Once the water is boiled, place the muithas one after the other and boil it for 5 to 7 minutes. Do not overboil as it becomes hard. Remove from water and let it cool. Cut into slices as shown. We prefer to cut it this way as all the pieces are more or less of the same shape, and it complements the diced potatoes as well, which we shall be adding while making the gravy. At this stage, check out for any left out bones within the muithas. To the diced potato, add salt and turmeric. Heat oil and deep fry the potatoes. Remove from oil. Fry the muithas in batches. Remove from oil. For the gravy, we are using the same oil in which we have fried the muithas, as it contains the flavor of the fish. To this, add the whole spices except the bay leaves. Toss and add the chopped onions. Fry until soft. Add sugar and stir. Add the onion paste and mix well with the chopped onions. Add garlic paste and toss it with the onion mixture. Now add ginger paste and fry. Fry the masala till the raw smell of ginger, garlic and onion are gone. Now is the time to add the masala. Add turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder. This is an addition which we have done to give the gravy a rich color. After adding salt, add a little water and let the masala cook. Once the masala is cooked, add the fried potatoes and mix with the masala. Add enough water for the gravy. Let the gravy come to a boil. Add the bay leaves now. Adding bay leaves now keeps the leaves soft and renders a flavor to the gravy. Add the fried muithas and cover for at least 2 minutes. Remove cover and add the green chilies. Cover again for another 2 minutes. Remove cover. Add ghee and garam masala powder. Stir. Cover and stop the heat. Chitol Macher Muitha is ready to be served with hot steaming rice. This is the way our family has been preparing muitha over the years. Do give it a try and share it with your family and friends. If you like our recipe of preparing muitha, do give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such authentic videos.